Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other base faucet website you can claim free Tron from that website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website link available in description. This website pay you this much Tron every 5 minutes and 25 times claim per day. And if you have Faucet Pay account, you can claim your Faucet. If you don't have Faucet Pay account, link in description. Copy your Tron wallet address from here and come here and paste it. Okay, and just come down and just solve this capture. Okay, this website is very easy way you can earn, and just solve this capture. This one told me the track. Just click the tracks and you can easily claim your free faucet. Okay, just click check and click this one, and this one is a 10 and 5 and 6 and 7. Okay, and just wait 3 seconds and just click get reward, and you can claim your free reward from this website. And this website pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay account, and this is very fantastic. Thanks for watching guys, and please subscribe to my channel and watch my ad videos. Bye bye for now.